Yo, what is up, people? Hope everybody is doing good and having a wonderful day so far, man. Today, man, I'm about to unbox my gimbal. It's a DJI series. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know what series this is. But anyways, I just got a new gimbal. This is me taking my phone video into the next level. So cool. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this with you guys. We're gonna kind of rate it. I haven't really used it yet, so therefore, I'm probably gonna make a video later in the future just to kind of give up my thoughts about how it actually is. But for the most part, I'm really excited to use it just because I feel like one thing that I'm lacking that's in my videos is kind of that stableness. It's kind of hard when you kind of shooting the video and you're trying to get like a stable shot of moving in, zooming out, kind of just doing that manually yourself. It's kind of hard to do that without having some type of stability. So I end up purchasing a gimbal to get that stability. So, you know, whenever I get a little piece of equipment to, you know, further progress my video capabilities, I'm excited. I'm gonna start doing kind of like visuals and kind of show you guys what it's about. But I got this off eBay. It's my first time using eBay actually. So hold up, dude, hold up. It's the first time actually using something like this. But anyways, I got this off eBay for a pretty decent good price. It looks brand new. The quality looks very new. It's a used product, but there's no scratches on it. I don't see anything weird. The boxing was pretty good for the most part. But you know, I was going to go to Best Buy and buy a $100 one. But my buddy sent me this link and told me I should check this one out. This is where he got his from. And I got it, got to me. I've always been so sketched out about eBay just because of I've heard so many people say, hey, they never got their package or money's been stolen. So I've never I actually had a bad experience with eBay in the past with some AirPods that I lost. And when I ended up losing that, it took me like 4 or 5 weeks to get my AirPods back to me. It was an AirPod case. So that ended up getting lost. So that was my first experience with eBay. So I never purchased it since then, but then my buddy kind of talked me into it recently to actually make a purchase. So I went with it and bought it. But you know, it got here on time. It actually got here faster than what I expected. I needed this for this weekend because I'm going to Charleston. But it ended up coming here on time, which is perfect. Now I get to kind of toy with it and kind of see if it's going to work and help me with my project this weekend. But anyway, I don't even know how to use most of this type of equipment. So this is kind of the high-techiest thing that I have with me. I do a lot of my visuals off my phone, so therefore, this is like the step up. But I'm excited to use it. I'm probably going to use it a lot this week, just with a lot of further shoots that I'm probably going to make, maybe for some Instagram reels of some sort. I may, you know, toy with it. Whoa, dude, I think I just turned the power on. Dude, how does this work? Let me know in the comments on y'all how this works, man. Dang, I gotta charge this thing, Hannah. What? But anyways, yeah, this is that. It looks brand new, see, check it out. It's the DJI Gimbal 3. But yeah, man, I'm excited to use it. Some good stuff. But anyways, that is it for this one. To showcase it, I'll probably do like a thorough review on it probably in later to come videos. But for the most part right now, I'm just unboxing it. Like I take a USB port, like I have a USB port. I don't think they send me a USB, but who knows, it's eBay, it's janky. But anyways, for the most part, they gave me the box, which is pretty cool. Getting into doing some computer work real quick, and also I'm gonna just continue to show you guys my routine. But thank you guys so much for sticking throughout the video. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Oh shoot, I forgot to have my protein shake. But anyways, we'll see you guys in a little bit and give you all a good night. Thank you so much. Peace.